There are several possible causes for bulbs blowing out quickly and the formation of a sticky substance in recessed can lights. Firstly, consider overvoltage. The voltage supplied to the can lights may be too high, causing the bulbs to overheat and blow out. It is important to check the voltage with a multimeter to ensure it is within the specified range for the bulbs. Secondly, overheating is a factor. Inadequate ventilation around the can lights can trap heat, causing the bulbs to overheat. Ensure the can lights are not covered or obstructed and that the insulation around them is not blocking airflow. Thirdly, investigate loose or faulty wiring. Loose wires or faulty connections can create arcing, which can cause the bulb base to fuse to the socket. Check all wiring connections and terminals to ensure they are tight and secure. Fourthly, a faulty socket assembly could be the culprit. Defects in the socket assembly, such as a loose socket or broken terminals, can cause overheating and bulb blowouts. If necessary, replace the socket assembly. Fifthly, check for a bulb voltage mismatch. If the bulbs being used are not the correct voltage for the can lights, they will overheat and burn out prematurely. Check the bulb specifications to ensure they match the voltage of the can lights. Sixthly, consider the type of dimmer being used. Track dimmers can cause flickering and premature bulb burnout. Use incandescent bulbs with compatible dimmers, such as electronic low voltage or magnetic low voltage dimmers. Seventhly, high ambient temperature can contribute to bulb failure. If the ambient temperature around the can lights is too high, it can cause the bulbs to overheat and blow out. Check the temperature around the lights to ensure it is within the specified range for the bulbs. The sticky brown burnt substance forming on the base of the bulbs is likely due to arcing or overheating. High voltage arcing can vaporize the bulb base material, which can condense and form the tar-like substance. Extreme heat can cause the plastic or rubber components of the bulb base to melt and deteriorate, forming sticky residue. When troubleshooting, follow these steps. Firstly, thoroughly inspect the can lights, wiring, and bulbs for any visible defects or damage. Secondly, measure the voltage supplied to the lights using a multimeter. Thirdly, remove any debris or dust that may be obstructing airflow around the can lights. Fourthly, test the bulbs and replace any that are blown or damaged. Fifthly, consider upgrading the can lights to light-emitting diode bulbs, which have a longer lifespan and are less prone to overheating. If all troubleshooting steps fail, consult a qualified electrician to diagnose and resolve the issue.